This video is going to cover the dimensioning for ISO number 6. So I have my ISO number 6 feature here as a part. Go to File, New. Make sure English is picked under your templates. I'm going to use an ANSI inches DWG. I'm going to right click on sheet 1 in my browser, my project browser, and edit sheet. Change that D to an A. I'm going to right click on the ANSI large title block that's featured here right now. I'm going to delete that. Go into my Drawing Resources tab. Click on Title Blocks and click on ANSI-A. I'm going to go to Base. A part shows up. Now, if it doesn't show up, once again, our rule is to go into this folder and look for our parts. If you have a folder called 11 Isometrics or 11 ISOs, that's what we named it in class. Now from here, what I want to do is place my views while I'm in this mode, place my views. Now, just want to show you something. If say you put this on here and you click OK. All right. If that happens to you, no worries. Go to Project It. Click on this view and project the views that are missing and the isometric. From here, you would right click, hit Create. Now you have all your views. So remember, prior to this, we was able to put the name of the view and have it already show up. No worries. Double click this red box. It'll take you back to this box here. Type the word front, all caps, turn on the light bulb, and then click OK. We're going to left click and drag the views over onto the page more, better format. I'm going to right click on the words front scale, edit text style, text height. I'm going to take it down to 0.1, bold, save and close. I'm going to label all my views first. I'll double click the little red box, turn on the light bulb, R.side, click OK. Top view. Drag these words up above the top view. And then this is the isometric. Now I'll proceed with the dimensioning. I go to Annotate, go to Dimensions. Remember, our dimensions should exist between our views as much as possible. I'm going to go from this point to this point. So my dimension for the total length is between the views. I need to know this distance from here to here. What else I need to know? I need to know this diameter for this circle. I'm going to place this up in between these views. Now, if you notice, I use a different, from the last videos, I used a different option here. I use holes and threads. So this is why you see the diameter for this hole is 2. And this symbol right here means cut, and it's cut to a depth of 4 inches. I'll go back to dimensions, so I'll click this tab. These are for linear dimensions. Click here, click here. Total height. I can actually pull this angle right here if I want it. So I'm at an angle of 126 degrees. And then I'm going to use a baseline on this because I need to know Needs to know these different depths right here. So I'll do a baseline. I left click and drag a window around this end. I right click, hit continue to pull these out. And then I press enter. And I don't think there's anything to feature on this side. So what we can do though is create a center line, because this hole right here, these, remember we talked about this in class, these are hidden lines that represent this circle in this view, and that cut of that circle goes all the way through on both views. So what we'll do is we'll do a center mark here, center mark, and then we'll do a center line. Center line, a bisector, apologize, center line bisector. Click here, click here, there's our center line bisector. We'll click this hidden line, click this hidden line, stay away from the green dot. Once you do that, hit escape, and you can actually click on this and stretch it. So this is the dimensioning for ISO number 6.